Hi, this is the team from Easel, and today we're really excited to announce a new feature that's been brought to Easel, resume carving. Essentially, this feature has been designed to help with issues that we see where a machine becomes unplugged or stops before a toolpath is finished. To access the resume carve feature, click on the arrow next to the green carve button and select resume carve. This will open up the typical carving setup menu that we see. You'll move through that setup menu exactly the same as you would for a normal carve. And once you've confirmed your work 0, you'll be brought to a page where the toolpath will be simulated and you can select your starting point for your resume carve. And there are two ways you can do that. You can jog along the progress bar at the bottom, or on the right hand side, there's the option to choose a specific point in the G code that you want to start your carve from. I find the best way to do it is to scan at the bottom to the point you want to start at and then select the G code specifically. Once you've confirmed that, you'll get a warning that you're doing a partial carve in Easel. You'll need to select that you understand that, and then you'll go through the rest of the carve setup exactly the same as you would for a normal carve. You'll click carve, and your carve will then start from the point in the G code that you selected. And again, this feature is to help with potential unplugged machines or issues like that.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.